In this video we will create an expert advisor that calculates different values for the current symbol and some mathematical operations in MQL5 and displays these values directly on your Forex chart. This was a question from a premium course member. Let's talk briefly about why it is so valuable to create small sample programs. When you start programming, or specifically with MQL5, it can sometimes be overwhelming to understand all the features and capabilities. By writing small sample programs, you can isolate and review specific functions. This not only allows for a better understanding, but also helps identify sources of errors in larger programs. To see what this code looks like in action, please click on the small icon here or press F4 on your keyboard to open the MetaEditor. After you have compiled the code, you can return to MetaTrader and launch the strategy tester. First, we fetch the value of a single tick for the current symbol using the symbol info double function and the symbol trade tick value parameter. Similarly, we fetch the size of a single tick with the symbol trade tick size parameter and the value of a single point with the symbol point parameter. Then we define two double variables with the values 1.777 and 1.333. Using the mathRound function, we round the values of both variables to the nearest integer. The MathFloor and MathCeil functions are used to obtain the largest integer value that is less than or equal to, and the smallest integer value that is greater than or equal to the variables. Finally, we use the comment function to display the calculated values directly on the chart. To see how this code looks in action, click on the small icon here or press F7 on your keyboard to compile the code now. After you have compiled the code, you can return to MetaTrader and launch the strategy tester. We hope that this video has given you a clear insight into how to use symbol info double and some basic math functions in MQL5. With just a few lines of MQL5 code, you have created an expert advisor that displays valuable information directly on your chart. If this was all too fast for you or you don't understand exactly what all the code does, you may want to take the premium course on our website or watch one of our fundamentals videos first. We hope this video has given you a clear insight into how to use symbol info double and some basic math functions in MQL5. With just a few lines of MQL5 code, you will have created an expert advisor that displays valuable information directly on your chart. If you are already a member of our premium course and have an idea for a video like this, feel free to email us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.